Hello kids, good morning. Today let us begin EVS subject unit 2.2 a fine balance. In the last EVS subject period you had learned 2.1 food. You had studied up regarding food, different types of food. Okay, in this chapter we will study a fine balance, what to eat, how much to eat, and what we will get. So, all of us, we should eat all types of vegetables, different kinds of vegetables. We should never say, Mama, I don't like this. Mama, what you have prepared today? Your mummy says, I have prepared brinjal. I have prepared potato. Lady finger. What you all say? Mama, I don't like. Why you have prepared this? I'm not going to eat. What you say in Kannada? Mummy, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು? ಬದ್ನಿಕಾಯಿ ಶಿಶಿ. I don't like it. Okay? So, don't prepare brinjal. I hate that. Never say like that. We should eat all types of vegetables, all types of food. We should never eat only Maggie, only pizza, whole day Maggie, every day pizza. Every day you like idli, only breakfast idli. You like only puri, you sit eating only puri. Should never do like that. We should eat all types of food. When we eat all types of food, we become very strong and healthy. We become very strong and healthy. And we get lots of energy. Energy, why we need energy, children? We need energy to play, to run, to jump, to play football, to see this. See, the kids are playing in the park. We need energy for all this. See, we should never sit eating only pizza because you like. You fall sick. You have to go to doctor. Yeah, isn't it? So, we should eat all types of food. Should eat all types of leafy vegetables, meat, jawar, rice, all types of fruits. Now, this is cheese. We should eat cheese, eggs, fish. So, when we eat cheese, egg and fish, we get proteins. We get proteins which help us to grow. When we eat bread, rice and butter, when we eat bread, rice and butter, we get carbohydrates and fats which give us energy. I told you, no, energy means we get shakti to play, to jump, to run. Next, when we eat bananas, milk, curd, and this is curd, meat, all these leafy vegetables. See, once again I will tell you. When we eat this meat, curds, milk, bananas, we get calcium and iron, which makes our bones and teeth. See, which makes our teeth and bones very strong, which makes our teeth and bones very strong and healthy. We are going to have a very strong and healthy bones. Okay. When we eat all types of food, we also get vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. When we eat all types of fruits or all types of food, such as orange gives us vitamin C. Okay. Then if we drink milk, we get vitamin when we eat curds, when we eat all the leafy vegetables, in one or the other food, we are going to get vitamins. So, it will make our body very strong, which will make our body very strong. See, if we eat all these idlis, now, in a day, we have to take 3 meals. 3 to 4 meals. First, when we get up early in the morning time, we have our breakfast. We have idli, dosa, idli vada, uppit, okay, poha. Next, in the afternoon, at 1 o'clock, we have our lunch. Chapati, 2 types of vegetables, sweet, buttermilk, carrot, salad. See this plate. All the food we have to taste little. We should never say, I don't eat that, I don't eat this. So, never complain. We have to eat all the food little. So, at night we have dinner. We can have only rice or only chapati. At 4 o'clock also we have some snacks. We also have some snacks. So, in a day, we have 4 meals. We have 4 meals. Compulsory, we have to take 4 meals in a day. Long ago, years ago, we used to eat raw food, raw vegetables like tomato, onion, carrot. We used to eat like that only and chew and eat it. Next. See, what is this, kids? This is rice. Do you eat like this only, raw like this? Take a spoon and put it in your mouth? No. Before eating rice, we have to boil it. Cook it. Have you seen a mummy cooking rice in the cooker? Yes. We have to cook the rice in the cooker. What are these, kids? These are puris. See? How mummy prepares puri in the cooker? No. Mummy prepares puri. She puts them in the oil to fry. When mummy puts the puris in the oil, they blow. They become fluffy. Okay. Next, what are these? These are idlis. How mummy prepares idlis? Does mummy put these idlis in the oil? No. Mummy puts this thing she prepares in the idli cooker. What is this? This is cake. Yummy cake. How mummy prepares this cake? How bakers bake this cake? They keep it in the oven. Okay. So we have to bake the cake. And bread before eating. Now what is this? This is papad. We have to roast the papad. Roast or fry in the oil before we eat. Now what is this, kids? What are these? Brinjals and potatoes. Do you eat like this only raw? When mama gets from the vegetable market, do you eat it like that only? No. Before eating brinjal and potato, we have to cook them. We have to clean it first, then cook, then eat. Next, these are orange and mango. Orange and mango, before eating, we have to peel them. Remove the skin and then eat. Before eating mango and orange and banana, we have to peel the skin of that fruit and then eat. Carrots, tomatoes, onions, these vegetables can be eaten raw. Means there is no need to cook. We can eat them raw along with our lunch or dinner. Carrot, onion, tomato, radish, cabbage, we can eat them without cooking. So, when we eat all types of vegetables without complaining, all types of fruits, all types of leafy vegetables, fish, food grain, chapati, oats, roti, idli, dosa, all types of vegetables, we become very, very healthy and strong kids. So, you also never complained. Okay, you also should eat. You also should eat all types of food. Then only we are going to become strong. We are going to become strong and healthy. So I hope you have understood this lesson, and I hope all of you will eat all types of food, all types of vegetables, all types of fruits. Okay, you have to drink milk also, which are going to make our teeth and our bones very strong. Okay, kids, eat all types of food and fruits and vegetables. Okay, and keep yourself healthy and strong. Bye. Thank you.